Hello everyone! If you're first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, hello! Thank you for joining. Today I'm gonna talk about 8 ways to wear this Palm Springs mini backpack, mud shots, and what's in my bag. I've talked about the details of this backpack in my previous video, so if you wanna check that out, I'll link it above or down below. Let's get started. This Palm Springs Mini comes with a pair of adjustable, removable leather straps with 4 swivel lobster connectors. It has also these 4 D-rings in the back where we connect the straps. As a backpack, this is the normal drop of the bag when straps are adjusted to its shortest setting. For reference, I'm 5'3". Others find it too low, but I got used to it. And this is how it looks like when straps are shortened. It's 3.5 inches shorter. I'll show you how to shorten the straps, but I don't recommend it as prolonged use will cause damage to the leather strap. To shorten, I'm gonna break off the straps and just use the longer strap. Let's move this shorter strap to the side because we don't need it for now. Connect the clasp to the top D-ring. And loop the other end of the strap through the bottom D-ring and lock like so. Do the same on the other pair of the strap. Second style is by wearing it like this. I call it the front pack. Third is to wear it over one shoulder, either using the 2 straps or just one strap. Fourth is to wear it as a shoulder bag. This time, I've connected the short to the long strap so that both ends will have the lobster clasp. I then connected it to the top D-rings of the bag. Fifth is as crossbody. I mostly wear this bag as crossbody. Sixth is as a bum bag. You can shorten the strap to hit your chest or drop it a little below your chest depending on your preference. Seventh is as handheld. And lastly is to style it your way. I can use my pochette métis strap, or my speedy bandolier strap, or this pair from my Kate Spade backpack. This is shorter by 2.5 inches versus the Palm Springs mini strap. But my most favorite style of wearing my Palm Springs mini is as crossbody using the pochette métis strap. It's wider and more comfortable to wear as this mini bag tends to get heavy when full. Now what's in my bag? My portable fan. We're in the middle of summer, so important. My phone. My eco bag. My bag holder. My Louis Vuitton card case in my key pouch, my hand sanitizer, my Ray-Ban sunglasses, my battery pack, my tissue, and my mini pochette. Let's see what's in my mini pochette. Compact powder, lipstick, Chanel blotting papers, measuring tape, money, lip balm, and perfume. What's in this pocket? Alcohol wipes. I hope you find this video helpful if you're looking at buying a Palm Springs mini backpack. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. I would love to have you back. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe. Bye!